What's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. Restaurant style Mexican rice in your Instant Pot. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get this party started. Let's turn on your Instant Pot there. Set your Instant Pot to the saute setting. Add a little bit of oil. This is grapeseed oil. No need really to let this heat up. It really doesn't matter. Go ahead and we're going to add in 1 cup of rice. Now this is a regular measuring cup full of rice. You want to make sure that you don't use a rice cup. So this is what comes with your Instant Pot, or it also comes with rice cookers. It's basically a cup and they call it a rice cup. But anyway, if you use this, I can already tell you that you're going to be using less than a measuring cup. So 1 cup of rice in a measuring cup. It's very important because we want to make sure we get that water to rice ratio perfect. All right, so we're just going to let this heat up here, and what we want to do is we want to brown this rice up until it gets golden. Okay, you can see we're still browning up here, but it's just, some of the pieces are just starting to get lightly browned. So now what I like to do is throw in 1/4 cup of diced onion. And we're just going to keep going, and I'm going to show you what the color that we're actually looking for. The restaurant style rice that you normally get in a restaurant, most of the ones I've had are notoriously bland in flavor. And this is not. It's not going to, what I would say, overpower the dish or make whatever it is you're serving it with less than. This is just going to be a nice accompaniment. Okay, I would say we're about 3/4 of the way there. Now, when I get to about this point, I like to go ahead and add in some freshly minced garlic. That's about 2 cloves of garlic. And you notice it's lumpy like that. That's because I usually minced all my garlic and then I freeze it in bulk. That's why it looks like that. Okay, as you can see the color here, or at least I hope you can, we're golden brown here. Now, what I like to do is add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. I'm probably going to fog up here a little bit. Just bear with me. All right, that's our 2 tablespoons of sauce. Now we'll add in 1 1/3 cups of water. Okay, on the sauce, you use regular tomato sauce. Or if you want a little bit more flavor, you can use this sauce. And this is just made by, I guess, is El Pato brand. It's a hot tomato sauce. I love using this, but regular tomato sauce is perfectly fine. Okay, now we're gonna start adding in our other ingredients, okay? What I have here is 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon. And I'm gonna show you what the container looks like. I'll also be leaving links to these products if something happens you can't get them. But this is what it looks like. It's made by Knorr. All right, I'm also going to be leaving a list of ingredients or the complete recipe at thebeardedhiker.com, and a link to that will be provided for you so you can go get a printable version of this recipe. All right, next up, we have 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Now, you can use any kind of chili powder that you want. You don't have to use Kashmiri. The reason why I like to use Kashmiri, other than the flavor, is you noticed when I put it in there, it's really bright red. So that helps to keep the color that we're actually looking for. If you were to use, you know, chipotle or a dark chili powder, then your rice is going to be a little bit darker. So we're trying to keep the whole restaurant style going here. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. All right, now that we got that all stirred in, we're ready to pressure this. Okay, where's my lid? All right, now we're gonna throw our lid on here, lock it. We're gonna set our Instant Pot to the rice setting. We're going to hit start, and we're just going to let it come down and do its thing, and we'll get back with you when this joker is done. And if you don't, for some reason, if you have an older model Instant Pot or a different kind of pressure cooker and you don't have a rice setting, you could just set your rice cooker to 10 minutes and have it go set it to high at 10 minutes and then just let it come down naturally. All right, we are done. Looks good. All right, so let's give it a fluff. And I'll probably steam the camera up, but we'll give it a fluff and then let's plate it up and give this a try. All right, there it is. It's nice and fluffed up. Got a good texture. I know it's going to have a good flavor. Delicious. All right, guys, restaurant style Mexican rice in your Instant Pot. Do it.